Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of the new Glam Polish Halloween trio nail polishes for you. Richard from Glam Polish reached out to me and offered me to swatch their upcoming Halloween trio. This is the Mystery Incorporated limited edition collection, and these are 3 limited edition shades inspired by the TV series Scooby Doo, and Scooby Doo is definitely one of my all-time favorite cartoons. I used to watch it every Sunday when I was a child and young teenager, and even till this day I just love Scooby Doo. Their quirkiness is just so funny, and I enjoy the show in general. So these polishes are releasing on September 25th at 2 p.m. EST, and the individual shades will be $12.50, or you can get the full trio for $37.50. And for the first 72 hours they do again a promo. You won't need any code. Automatically at the checkout the price will go down to $33.75. So just remember, this is only for 72 hours after they release. This trio will be launching at the same time as their Halloween Horror Shop limited event, and yeah, I'm really excited for this collection. I mean, just because it's Scooby-Doo collection. My favorite has to be, if it went for you, Meddling kit. It's the green one. I really love how it looks. It's so fun, Halloween. But the other 2 polishes are also really good. Formula, no problem with any of these. Opaque on 2 coats, and I think that you actually guys really do need this collection. I really love it. So great job, Glam Polish. If you do enjoy this type of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then definitely also hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, you will see swatches on my natural nails, and I will leave for you everything that you need about these polishes and where you can get them in the description box. But if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Alright, that's it for the intro. I will now jump into the swatch portion, so keep watching. But thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.